Good day po mga bayang karirista at Merry Christmas po sa inyong lahat. December 26, 2025, Friday at PJCI. Start time at 5 p.m. Start na po tayo, race number 1. Race number 1, pang-primera ko dito yung numero 3, Blue Scholar. Si Blue Scholar kasi medyo malakas lang talaga nakalaban na ito. Sila Exemplary sa kasi Great Balls of Fire. Kaya tingin ko lamang dito sa akin to, yung numero 3, Blue Scholar. Problema nga lang dito, ngayon lang yata tatakbo ng official run sa PJCI to si Blue Scholar. Second choice ko po yung numero 1, Go Emago. Maganda position niya, nasa numero 1. Di banderang kabayo to, baka mapabayaan sa unahan ni Blue Scholar. Tingin ko malaki chance makatapos ng karera. Kaya po sa race number 1 in-upload ko po yung last run ni Blue Scholar saka ni Go Emago para magkaroon po kayo ng idea kung paano nyo sila tatayan. Kaya po sa race number 1, pang-primera ko po, numero 3, Blue Scholar. Second choice ko po, numero 1, Go Emago.
At the 1400-meter mark, they're off and racing. Cunningham jams 40 to the inside post. Showing speed in the middle now is Berting. Go Emago is running in third, then a far behind. To Confidence Surge matching their strides now. Cunningham and Berting racing on the outside. Then another gap by Go Emago. And a long way back to Confidence Surge by some 6 to 7 lengths from back to front. So down the back stretch run is still a pace setter. Cunningham. It's Cunningham by Alenka. It's Cunningham by half a length being hassled once again is Berting. Cunningham and Berting in a very tight competition. Then 4 lengths for the back in third position is Go Emago. And closing in now is Confidence Surge. And they move to the fourth turn and it's still Cunningham expanding its leads now by about 2 lengths. It's 3 second is Berting. Go Emago remains in third and Confidence Surge is still last of all as they race the final home turn. Cunningham now pulling away by some 6 to 7 lengths over Berting, remains in second, trying its best now on the outside is Go Emago. Confidence Surge, 50 meters left to go. It's all Cunningham, first run, first win, dominates the first race. Cunningham, what a race, and running in second, finishing is Berting. Then comes Confidence Surge. Then thereof, in the 11th, former Pasay City Mayor Eduardo Duay Calisto Memorial Cup has just begun. Blue Scholar that on the inside and pass approaching, showing speed and takes off the running now in the early start of the race, and that is Exemplary. Exemplary, the leader by about 3 lengths over Blue Scholar. Right behind in third is Great Balls of Fire alongside a couple mate, and that is Magellan. Racing in fifth position is Song of Love, and training the group is Humble Master with a solid tempo and huge gap now is Exemplary by some 4 lengths. Very close. Second now is the favorite, and that is Great Balls of Fire together with Magellan. Blue Scholars in fourth, and they move to the fourth turn, and it's still Exemplary by only Alenka Diapa. And here's a challenge coming from Great Balls of Fire, now about to grab the lead, but Exemplary trying to come back that on the inside against Great Balls of Fire, and running in third still Magellan. Moving up that on the inside is Blue Scholar as they race the final home turn. Exemplary by about 3 lengths. Exemplary still dictates the pace and trying and working hard now on the outside is Great Balls of Fire. 100 meters left to go. Exemplary by some 3 lengths now, and here's the finish line. Exemplary dominates the third race over Great Balls of Fire, Blue Scholar, Song of Love, Magellan, Humble Master, last to check in.
And we have an upset for the 11th, former Pasay City Mayor Eduardo Duay Calixto Memorial Cup. Crossing the wire first, only selling us the far second choice, Exemplary under El Supremo John Alvin Guse. Coming in second, Great Ball so far. Then comes Blue.
Sa race number 2 na po tayo. Dito sa race number 2, sa mga nagtitipid at kulang sa puhunan, pwedeng solohin to couple entering numero 2, Obladi Oblada saka 2A Imperatus. Si Obladi Oblada, hindi lang binigyan ng importansya to last run, kala user, pamangatlo to. Ang pumorkas doon si Bravery. Tingin ko, cambio hinete, JT Pabilik, tingin ko mas maganda ngayon itatakbo neto ni Obladi Oblada. Yung 2A naman si Imperatus, nag-barrier to kala Red Queen. Hindi naman binigyan si Kabayo ng barrier na yan. Cambio hinete, AR Villegas, RC Tabornon. Tingin ko mas maganda rin itatakbo din ngayon neto ni Imperatus. Ang nigundo ko po yung numero 1, Bravery. Tingin ko ito na rin pwedeng makalaban ng couple entry na to. Si Obladi Oblada sa si Imperatus tong si Bravery na ito kasi yung pumorkas kay user. Tingin ko ito na rin po. Pagkatapos nga po pala ng info ko dito sa race number 2, in-upload ko po yung last run ni Obladi Oblada, ni Bravery, saka yung barrieran ni Imperatus para magkaroon po kayo ng idea kung paano nyo po sila tatayan. Kaya po sa race number 2, pampremera ko po, couple entering numero 2, Obladi Oblada, 2A Imperatus. Second choice ko po, numero 1, Bravery.
Racing. Red Queen to the outside post to race for the lead. Right behind in second, moving up, showing speed now is Breeze. That audience that is Unchained Melody. Imperatus running in fourth. That audience that is Batang Lukban. Then second last is entry number 4, Batang Lukban. Train in the group is Johnny Bunny. So down the back stretch and past the midway point, Red Queen the leader by some 2 lengths over Breeze on the outside. Running in third, that audience that is Unchained Melody. A very close fourth now on the outside is Imperatus. Batang Lukban and Johnny Bunny is still last of all. And they move to the fourth turn, 400 meters left to go. It's Red Queen maintaining a 2 lengths lead over Breeze. And steering third is Unchained Melody, Imperatus. As they come up towards the home turn, it is still Red Queen. Red Queen by 3 lengths now over Breeze, steering second. Then working hard, that audience, that is Unchained Melody. On the outside is Imperatus. Here's the finish line. It's all Red Queen. From start to finish over Breeze goes for third between Unchained Melody, Imperatus, then comes Johnny Bunny, Batang Lukban last to finish. There, off and racing. Audacious jams 40 at the inside post. Moving up now is Fly with a Wind in the middle portion of getting inside now on now's number 2 horse User to grab the lead by about ahead now. User now takes the lead against Audacious. Racing in third is Perfect Lady. Moving up and showing speed now is Bravery together with Wireframe. Fly with a Wind down second last. And Obladi Oblada is now in behind them. And they move to the fourth turn. It is still User by a length and a half. User by a length and a half over Bravery starting second. Riding in third alongside is Perfect Lady. Then another gap by Wireframe. Moving up now 1 second is Fly with a Wind. And as they race at the last 400, it is still User. User now widening its lead now by 3 to 4 lengths against Bravery. Is starting second. Another 3 lengths back in third is Perfect Lady. Here comes Wireframe. That on the inside is Obladi Oblada Audacious. And Fly with the Wind is now last of all. And down the stretch they come. User now pulling away by some 8 to 9 lengths. Now leads to a double-digit rock. And here's the finish line. User dominates the first race. Second, Bravery. Obladi Oblada was third. Then comes Audacious, Wireframe. Perfect Lady, Fly with the Wind comes in last. What a...
Sa race number 4 na po tayo. Numero 3, Ghost. Ito para po sa akin dito. Sosolohin ko na po to. Ito numero 3, Ghost. Last run nito doon sa Presidential Gold Cup, pumang-apat 'to. Nanalo nun si Don Julio, Easy Does It, Transform, tapos Ghost, tapos Bayabel. Malakas dating nito. Problema lang nito yung salida. Tingin ko 'pag maganda naman si Nalida, patok dito 'to, yung numero 3 Ghost, kasi maraming mabibilis. Tingin ko papabor pa sa kanya kahit 1,200 meters. Kaya po sa race number 3, itong numero 3 Ghost, para po sa akin, sosolohin ko na po. Sa race number 4 na po tayo. Pampremera ko dito, numero 7, Hey Jojo. Gusto ko position niya kasi ngayon, last to enter. Itong kasing kabayo na to, namamartida sa largaan to. Tingin ko baka magamayan niya itong PJC. Kaya tingin ko malaki chance na ito manalo ngayon, itong numero 7, Hey Jojo. Second choice ko po, numero 3, Whiskey or Wine. Ito kasi pinili ni J.A. Gusi ngayon. Kaya tingin ko malaki panalo na ito. Tago-preba na ito ni Whiskey or Wine. Kaya pansama to numero 3, Whiskey or Wine. Tapos third choice ko, numero 5, Elistar. Ito magaling sa PJC. Baka sakaling hindi habulin ni Sprewell sa unahan. Tingin ko malaki chance na ito makatapos ng karera. Ito numero 5, Elistar. Kasi mabilis sa PJC to. Kaya po sa race number 4, pampremera ko po, numero 7, Hey Jojo. Second choice ko po, numero 3, Whiskey or Wine. Third choice ko po, numero 5, Ellis Star. Sa race number 5 na po tayo. Pampremera ko dito, numero 7, Ligeron. Kaya naging pampremera ko, nagustuhan ko yung position niya, nasa labas ngayon. Tapos hindi ganun kabigat yung peso niya. Tingin ko makakasabay kaagad to sa unahan itong numero 7 Ligeron kasi may bilis din to. Second choice ko po yung galing din sa panalo yung numero 1 Levitating. Si Levitating kasi kaya ginawa ko second choice, medyo mabigat yung peso niya, 57. Pero tingin ko na rin ito na rin makakalaban ni Ligeron dito sa race number 5, yung numero 1 Levitating. Kaya po sa race number 5, pampremera ko po, numero 7, Ligeron. Second choice ko po, numero 1, Levitating. Sa race number 6 na po tayo. Pampremera ko dito, numero 6, Marengo. Wala kasi ako nakikitang mabilis ngayon na pwede kagad humabol sa kanya. Kasi lasaran nito, mabilis lang talaga yung nakalaban niya doon, sila Galloping Ghost. Kaya to Mercero lang to. Ngayon wala akong nakikitang ganung kabilis na pwede kagad humabol sa kanya. Baka mapabayaan ni instant notice sa unahan to. Tingin ko malaki chance na ito makatapos ng karera. Ito numero 6, Marengo. Second choice ko na rin yung numero 2, instant notice, kasi ito galing sa mataas na grupo, bumaba na ngayon. Tingin ko ito pwedeng rumimate itong numero 2, instant notice. Pagpilit nilang hinabol si Marengo sa unahan. Kaya po sa race number 6, pampremera ko po, numero 6, Marengo. Second choice ko po, numero 2, instant notice. Sa last race na po tayo. Bago nga pala ako magbigay ng info ko dito sa last race, sa race number 7, makikiusap ulit po sana ako sa inyo na sana po mag-subscribe po kayo sa YouTube channel ko. At pakitap na rin po yung notification bell para updated kayo tuwing mag-upload ako ng mga infos at videos ko po dito. Arnel Racing Tips, maraming salamat po. Sa last race na po tayo, pampremera ko dito, numero 4, Domsat 7. Tapos second choice ko, numero 5, Spellbound. Tapos third choice ko, numero 3, Freedom Lover. Pag may puhunan pa kayo, pwede nyo sama yung numero 6, Gingini. Yun lang po, and good luck and happy racing po mga bayang karerista. Pagkatapos nito yung mga pa-shoutout nyo po. May pa-shoutout po si Sir John Dolph Raso. Pinapa-shoutout niya si Mrs. niya, si Angeline Raso. Madam Angeline Raso, shoutout po sa inyo. Sir John Dolph Raso, shoutout po sa inyong dalawa at Merry Christmas po. May pa-shoutout po si Sir Dinahan Joseph. Pinapa-shoutout niya lahat ng karerista dyan sa Deparo Off Track OTB. Shoutout po sa inyo dyan. At Sir Dinahan Joseph, shoutout po sa iyo din at Merry Christmas po. May pa-shoutout po si Sir Archie Norberte. Pinapa-shoutout niyo yung magbe-birthday na kapatid niya sa Friday bukas. Si Arlene Norberte Christensen. Happy birthday po. Galing po yan sa kapatid yung si Archie Norberte. Sir Archie Norberte, shoutout po sa iyo at Merry Christmas and Happy Birthday po sa kapatid niyong si Christensen. May pa-shoutout po si Sir Ariel Balon na pinapa-shoutout niya lahat ng karerista dyan sa OTB ng Bangkal. Shoutout po sa inyo dyan sa OTB ng Bangkal at Sir Ariel Balon, shoutout din sa iyo at Merry Christmas po. May pa-shoutout po si Sir Manuel Tandes. Pinapa-shoutout niya lagi yung pinsan niyang si Boyet Flores ng Santissima Trinidad Street, Balik-Balik. Shoutout po sa inyo dyan, Sir Boyet Flores at Sir Manuel Tandes at Merry Christmas po sa inyong dalawa. May pa-shoutout po si Sir Tiak Bintan. Pinapa-shoutout niya si Idol Bench. Sir Idol Bench at Sir Tiak Bintan, shoutout po sa inyong dalawa at Merry Christmas po. May pa-shoutout po si Sir Willie Lies. Pinapa-shoutout niya yung kasama niyang si Calvo Escanio ng Fairview, Quezon City. Shoutout po sa inyo dyan, Sir Escanio at Sir Willie. Shoutout po sa inyong dalawa at Merry Christmas po. May pa-shoutout po si Sir Ramon Carpio. Pinapa-shoutout niya lagi yung kumpare niya si Tirso Espiel. Sir Tirso Espiel at Sir Ramon Carpio, salamat po at Merry Christmas po sa inyong dalawa. May pa-shoutout po si Sir Del Monte Javier. Pinapa-shoutout niya yung OTB ng Deparo Caloocan. Shoutout po sa inyo dyan sa may Deparo OTB Caloocan. At Sir Del Monte Javier, shoutout po sa iyo at Merry Christmas po.